Subscribe the channel and press on the bell icon so that you will not miss any updates. Hello friends, if you are facing error like you should upgrade to MySQL 5.5.0 or later in phpMyAdmin, so I will show you how to remove this error without upgrade of MySQL database in this video tutorial. Before start, if you will found something helpful in this tutorial, please like my video. To fix the error, explore phpMyAdmin folder. Go to libraries and open common.inc.php file in Notepad++. Now find the word log success in this file. Comment the full para of log success and save the file. Let's refresh the page. Enter database credential. Okay, the error is gone now, but here it is showing some new error like the configuration file now needs a secret passphrase blowfish_secret, and second is the config temp_dir temp is not accessible. phpMyAdmin is not able to cache templates and will be slow because of this. If you are facing this error after connecting database, we need to do the setting in phpMyAdmin config to fix this error. To know how to do this setting, I will show you the same in next video tutorial. So thank you for watching.